Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the one required accessory, the Lightning Digital AV adapter. Plug that adapter into your iPad's Lightning port. It's the bridge that converts the iPad's signal to HDMI. Once done, connect a good HDMI cable from the adapter to the monitor's HDMI port. Make sure the monitor is powered on. You do this first because without the adapter, there is no reliable direct video out. Make sure cables are seated firmly to avoid intermittent signal loss. With the adapter and HDMI cable connected, you now switch the monitor's input to the HDMI port you used. Make sure the adapter is still in the iPad and that the iPad is unlocked. Sometimes the iPad waits for a valid handshake before mirroring. If your monitor only accepts DVI or VGA, use an active HDMI converter. Passive plugs won't carry audio or modern HDCP. Once the handshake completes, the screen should mirror automatically. Be patient for a few seconds. Finish by confirming playback and orientation on your iPad. Most apps mirror instantly, and video apps may switch to full screen on the monitor. If you need longer runtime, plug a Lightning charger into the adapter's pass-through. Make sure audio routes correctly. The monitor or speakers should appear as output. If nothing appears, power cycle the monitor and iPad, reset all connections, and swap cables or the adapter. That single troubleshooting step resolves most handshake and cable fault issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.